Hey, YouTube, you guys ever see a cat fetch? I have a cat that will lick you like a dog, and he thinks he's a dog. He plays fetch like a dog. Now what I have is an ordinary everyday straw with a knot tied in it. Watch what happens when I throw it and I tell this little thing to fetch. Alright, ready? Fetch. Now keep your eyes on him. Fetch. Then brings it back. And the funny thing is, he never gets tired of this. Ready? Ready? Fetch.
So cute.
Here we go. One more time. Ready? Fetch. Not the fish. Fetch straw. And until he gets it to my feet, he'll actually try to pick it up and bring it back over one more time. Because he knows he didn't really fetch until he gets it over here. Ready? Here we go. Fetch. But you've never seen that before. This cat truly believes he's dog. And of course, for those that have been watching my videos, you know this is Dinky, the furry little fur ball that I rescued. I didn't know I was rescuing a dog in disguise.
And he's only 9 weeks old.
Now, he's 9 weeks old now. He was black when we got him, and now he's showing up a lot of stripes. One more time, Dinky. Show him you know how to fetch. Ready? Fetch. Fetch. So, Dinky, say hello to YouTube one more time, Furball. Say, no, I want to fetch. As you can see, the stripes are coming in quite well. Later, YouTube.